One is from Bharat Bijlee Limited. Then another is on carbon credit by Mr. S. Giridharan. Both I am sure you will find it to your liking. As for the first session, it will be a topic on energy saving servo solution for plastic injection molding and blow molding machines. We have been seeing material, machinery, the oil, and now we are going to talk about the prime movers as well. Mr. Sanjay Shah is a Deputy General Manager of Business Development. He is an electronic engineer with 30 years of experience. Guess how many companies he would have been in these 30 years? It's just one company, Bharat. So, really hats off to him serving for such a long time in a company. I request Mr. Shah to start the speech.
Thank you. So I think everybody is now fresh after a cup of tea or coffee. So Vanakkam, good afternoon and Namaskar. I am Sanjay Shah from a company called Bharat Bijlee. We are a 79-year young company in India, manufacturing motors, transformers and drives and automation products. So I will take you through a presentation on energy saving servo solution for plastic injection and blow molding machine. Friends, nowadays the cost of energy is rising exponentially, and we know that how important it is to sustain. We have to reduce the consumption of the energy, and every unit of energy which we are saving will only add to our bottom line. So I am going to take you through the servo technology, which not only reduces your energy consumption but increases your profitability. So how it is done, I will take you through the presentation. So this is a brief introduction about our company Bharat Bijlee. We were established in 1946, that is pre-independence time. Nowadays, government does not use the word Bharat to be used by any new company. So we are fortunate enough to be named by our country, Bharat. We have 5 business segments, 1700 plus employees, and we are spread in 48 acres land near Airoli in Navi Mumbai. We have got sales and service network office in 13 cities in India, and the Navi Mumbai plant is 48 acres. We have got 2 business segments, that is power systems consisting of power transformers which is supplied to utilities and large corporate houses, as well as complemented by a project division. Second is industrial system which consists of motor division, drives and automation division and magnet technology machine division. So these 3 divisions constitute our industrial solution system. We are known as traditionally as a motor company. We had initially technical collaboration with Siemens for about 30 years. In 1975, we parted ways and we became an independent identity. And since then, we have installed and supplied more than 5 million motors. Currently, we are manufacturing more than 30,000 plus motors every month in our Mumbai plant. And the motors are right from 0.12 kilowatt right up to 1250 kilowatt and even higher ratings, including ST and MV ratings. Now coming to the magnet technology machine, as technology is evolving, nowadays there is a trend to use the magnet technology to increase the efficiency of the motor and reduce the energy consumption. So we realized it quite early and we started a magnet technology machine division. In this division we have developed motors around the magnet technology. So there is one i4 and i5 super premium efficiency motors which has been well accepted by the industry since the last 7-8 years. These motors have been developed indigenously by us and provide efficiency in excess of 94 to 96%. Then we have got Synchrodar series direct drive torque motor. This you can see on the left side, that's a black color motor. So this direct drive torque motor can eliminate your gearbox, which is causing a lot of noise, oil, maintenance, vibration. So that gearbox issues can be resolved and that can be replaced directly with this direct drive torque motor. On the bottom you can see the Green Star series gearless machine. This is a special machine for the elevator application where a motor and a gearbox which was used for elevator application that is replaced by this gearless machine which has got magnet on the rotor. So it's a high torque, low RPM motor. Here we have a collaboration with a company called Permex of Spain, and 50% of these motors are exported back to Europe and 50% motors are sold in India to the elevator customers. Next you can see the Synchrotorque series high performance permanent magnet AC servo motor. This was developed by a company in the year 2020, just around the COVID time. Earlier we were importing the motors from China and Taiwan, and then we indigenously developed this technology of manufacturing the servo motor with the magnet technology. And successfully we have implemented this technology, and now we are regularly supplying this permanent magnet servo motor for different applications and industries. So these are some of the unique features of our servo motor, permanent magnet servo motor. The ratings are from 16 Nm to 280 Nm. High ratings are also under development. Power ratings are from 2.5 kW to 58 kW. It has got CE marking with maximum speed of 3200 RPM. Flank mount and foot mount designs are available. Class H insulation. All others are supplying Class F insulation. We are the one company which are supplying servo motor with Class H insulation, so that the life of the motor winding is very much enhanced. We are providing resolver and encoder feedback. Protection is IP65 class, and bearings we are using SKF made with high temperature grease, so that the bearing life is very much extended. So till date we have sold about more than 5,000 plus servo motors in medium and high power range for different industries and applications like plastic, textile, metal and so on. Now coming to the technology partnership with KEB. KEB is a German company located in Balto near Hanover. So we established our partnership in the year 2007 because we felt there is a need to introduce high performance drives for various applications so that it can complement with our motor technology. So we tied up with the company called KEB in 2007, and currently we are assembling and testing the drives with the parts which are imported from KEB Germany directly, and we are supplying this high performance drives for various industries and applications along with our servo motors. So the drives are locally assembled in our Navi Mumbai plant. So all the parts are sourced from KEB Germany directly, and after assembling, the KEB drives are tested for functional and load testing. In functional testing, we test the hardware part of the drive, that is the IOs, the analog and digital outputs. And in load testing, each and every KEB drive is tested on full load at 50-degree elevated temperature. So this ensures that the customer who is getting the KEB drives from us is having the same quality and reliability as it is manufactured in Germany. So these are some of the applications where we are promoting the KEB drives along with our servo motor as a complete package. Plastic injection and blow molding machine, crane, elevator application, machine tools, metals, cut to length lines, packaging machines, compressors, printing machines, sugar centrifuge, textile machines, test benches and windmills. So these are some of the applications and industries where we are promoting the KEB drives along with our servo motor. Now coming to the energy saving servo solution for the plastic injection molding machine. So traditionally if you see, in conventional injection molding machine, vane pumps are used with induction motor. Now what happens when you use a vane pump with induction motor, there are certain limitations. The efficiency of the old motors is very poor, around 87-88%, and every time the motor is rewounded, the efficiency will drop by 2%. So many customers keep on rewinding the old motors and keep on using the old induction motor, so efficiency is dropping. Then the vane pumps have their own limitation, their volumetric efficiency is quite poor, and then these pumps cannot be run below 400 RPM, otherwise the lubrication will fail. So these are some of the limitations of using the vane pump with the induction motor on plastic injection or blow molding machines. So because of this, there is a lot of wastage of energy. Further, we know that in induction motor, even when it is not drawing any, whenever it is not drawing any load, Then also it is consuming about 25 to 30% of no load current due to magnetization, and hence the power is wasted in standard induction motor whenever you are running with a vane pump or plastic injection or blow molding machine. So here we introduce the high performance permanent magnet servo motor. The beauty of this servo motor is that the rotor is wounded with the magnets embedded on the rotor, so that there are no rotor losses or that is minimal. Further, like induction motor, which can run only up to 1440 rpm, this motor's permanent magnet servo motor can run right up to 3000 rpm. So dynamic response of the PM servo motor is very fast. You can accelerate the pump. The pump which is shown over here is internal gear pump, which is having an efficiency of more than 90%. So internal gear pump, when it is driven by a servo motor and with a KEB servo drive, you get excellent energy saving, fast dynamic response and accurate flow and pressure control. So what is the benefit of this? Your article which is manufactured in the machine, that will have very good quality, lower rejections and production also will increase. Besides, unlike induction motor which is drawing 30% no load current, the servo motor will draw just 1 ampere under the no load condition, and you will be able to accelerate the servo pump with servo motor and drive very fast, very quickly without any wastage of energy. So even if there is an idle time of say 4 or 5 seconds in each cycle of the molding machine, the pump and the motor will be brought down to 0 rpm. Thereby you are getting energy saving. So this is the secret about the energy saving of using servo motor with servo drive in the injection molding machine. The flow and pressure reference is given through the IMM controller. The feedback which is given from the resolver for speed is processed as speed information, and there is a pressure transducer which is giving the pressure feedback signal to the drive. So the drive intelligence internally processes the flow and the pressure reference, takes the feedback from the resolver and from the pressure sensor, and after processing, it will give the torque and speed command to the permanent magnet servo motor, which in turn will drive the internal gear pump and will get accurate control of flow and pressure. So this is how this closed loop system is working to get fine performance and enhance the performance of the injection molding machine, besides providing energy saving. As you can see, in servo technology, what we are doing, we are pumping the oil only when it is required. Under the idle condition, we are bringing the speed of the pump and the motor close to 0. So what is energy? That is a product of flow into pressure. So we are pumping the oil only when it is required. In idle condition, we are not pumping any oil. So that is how we are able to get the energy saving using the servo technology. Now what are the benefits of using the servo technology injection or blow molding machine? Your energy cost is significantly reduced because the efficiency of the servo motor is very high, more than 95%, unlike the induction motor. You are using the servo pump, that is internal gear pump. That also is having an efficiency of greater than 90%. Volumetric efficiency is quite high. There is no power wastage. There is no current drawn in the idle condition like induction motor, which is drawing 25% minimum no load current. So servo motor is not drawing that kind of current. It is drawing just 1 ampere. So you get accurate low pressure control, energy saving, and your oil temperature also will remain cool. And your hydraulic circuit will become very simple because your proportional valves for flow and pressure control are eliminated when you are using the servo technology. So your hydraulic circuit becomes very simplified and oil temperature also will be reduced. So your chiller demand also will come down because the oil is running cool. So till date we have supplied more than 17,000 servo packages in the last 15 years. Earlier we were importing the motors, but since last 5 years we have developed our own servo motor. So along with the KEB German technology drive and along with pump as an optional, we are giving the complete package for energy saving injection and blow molding machine. And globally more than 3 lakh plus machines are running with KEB drive. It's a German technology. So KEB drives are very popular in the world for plastic injection and blow molding machines. And we have supplied more than 5,000 servo packages with our own servo motor, that is Synchro-Torque series, Bharat Bijlee make. Now what are some of the key features of this KEB German technology drive? The drive is very intelligent. It is called a universal drive because it can run any kind of motor. whether it is induction motor, servo motor, direct drive torque motor, linear motor, or synchronous servo motor, any kind of motor you can drive with the KEB drive. That is the beauty of the KEB drive technology. Further, the KEB drive can accept feedback from the motor from any kind of device like resolver, encoder, hyperphase, any kind of feedback device from the motor can be taken as a speed input by the KEB drive. Further, KEB drive can support all the communication protocols, whether it is EtherCAT, Profinet, VRAM, CAN Open, PowerLink, Modbus, Ethernet. So any communication field bus can be worked upon with the KEB drive so that the interface with the IMM controller is very easy. So the drive is universal with lot of intelligence, any make of motor, any feedback device, any communication protocol. So that's why it's a universal intelligent servo drive. Even third party servo motor also can be driven by the KEB drive. As you can see in this picture, the KEB drive can run any kind of motor. Induction motor, servo motor, I4, I5 motor, SRM motor, that is synchronous reluctance motor, spindle motor, direct drive torque motor, asynchronous servo motor, linear motor. So any motor can be driven by the KEB drive. Now some of the unique features and benefits of the KEB drive are, it has got a conformal coating on the PCB, that you will get good protection for the power boards against dust and moisture. It has got wide operating voltage range, right from 280 volt to 550 volt. So in rural areas, the drive can work without any tripping. It has got servo pump wizard. It's an intelligent software in the drive for the hydraulic technology. So the parameters are in terms of hydraulic terminology like percentage flow, percentage pressure. So the operator can easily identify. Then it has got S curve in bar per second. So you can get fine control of flow and pressure. So your product quality will improve with lower rejections. It has got multiple PID controllers. So you can vary the injection rate and the pressure clamping rates. So the result is your article quality is significantly improved. There are no rejections in the machine. Plus we have got energy consumption which is shown directly on the drive. Whatever the energy is consumed by the pump and the motor, that is directly displayed on the drive. Then it has got protection parameters for the pump against anti-cavitation, so that pump is protected against cavitation. Also you can retrofit any old all-electric machine with the KEB drive. We have got pan-India service support for the servo package which we are supplying to the customers, whether it is OEM or end customer. The customer can log in and register their complaint, and within 48 hours we resolve the complaint. We have got a free mobile app which can be downloaded from the Android or Apple Play Store for troubleshooting and diagnosis, and it has got also product catalog and manual. We have got state-of-art service repair center in Navi Mumbai, where all the KEB drives can be repaired and sent back to the customer. These are some of the list of our prestigious customers in India. Shigura Machines, Milacron, Windsor, all customers. These are further list of the customers. These are the global reference list of the customers using the KEB drives. All renowned plastic injection molding machine manufacturers in the world are using this KEB drives. As you can see, Arbor, Cross Profile. These are the list of our end customers who are using the drives in their machines supplied by our OEM customers. Link Pen, Milton, Supreme, National, Uflex, Pinolex, Ashirwad Pipes, Prince, Plasto, Astral, GL, Lumax, Motherson, Bright, Autoplast, Spark, Hilda, Sturz. Awards and recognition. Since we developed the servo motor indigenously, we have been recognized as one of the best contributor for innovative technology. We got award from Modern Plastic Magazine in 2022. We also got award from Manufacturing Today publication for Excellence in Innovation category for developing the PM Servo motor. These are recognition from some of our customers. Shibura team is over here. Thank you for your support, valuable support. While Bharat Bijlee is considered as a preferred servo technology supplier, long association with the plastic industry, KV drive with pump protection parameters, long pressure holding, stable pressure holding with pressure pulsations less than 0.1 bar. KV is a world-known brand in driving for the plastic molding machines globally. More than 3 lakh machines are running since last 2 decades. Our own Bharat Bijlee developed synchrotorch PM servo motor with more than 5,000 motors running in the field and increased productivity due to lower rejections and hence faster return on investment. Thank you for patient hearing.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Shah. A question for this session.
Thanks for the excellent presentation. Just want to know what is the range of kilowatt motors Bharat Bijlee makes? What is the lowest range? What is the highest?
Eleven kV to 160 kV. KW. No.
It's 2.5 kilowatt to 58 kilowatt.
Right.
Maheshwar.
Okay.
Now, Maheshwar from top 8. Just wait. Wait, I'll come. I think he is getting the second prize for the today's session. Congratulations.
We now get into the next part of